Have you ever wondered why some kimono look so different from others? Some kimono are very formal, and others are more casual. Today, I will share a simple way to understand different kinds of kimono. Hello, it's Agemarko. Welcome to Happy Kimono Life. This channel is about enjoying a kimono in a simple, pleasure-free way. It is not about rules or perfection. It is about choosing what feels right for you and trusting that choice. Let's enjoy kimono our way. When people first see kimono, many of them may look similar. But actually, there are many kinds of kimono. Some are for weddings and special ceremonies. Today, I will introduce 4 common kinds of kimono. Tomesode are the most formal kimono. They are often black with patterns near the bottom. Many also have family clothes. People often wear them for family weddings and important ceremonies. They are similar to very formal ceremony wear. Furisode are very formal kimono for young unmarried women. They are easy to recognize because the sleeves are very long. They are often colorful and bright. Young women often wear them for special celebrations. They can feel similar to glamorous party dresses or special event clothes. Houmongi are elegant kimono for celebration and parties. They are formal, but usually less formal than Tomesode. One easy way to recognize Houmongi is the flowing design. The main patterns often appear on the left shoulder and near the hem. This creates a beautiful and elegant look. They can feel similar to an elegant dress for parties or celebrations. Komon are casual kimono for everyday enjoyment. They often have small repeating patterns across the whole kimono. They feel relaxed, playful, and easy to wear. They are similar to casual fashion or everyday outfits. This idea may feel difficult at first, but actually, it is not so different from modern clothes. In modern clothes, we also choose different clothes for different situations. For example, casual clothes for cafes, elegant clothes for parties, formal clothes for ceremonies. Different clothes fit different occasions. Kimono are similar too. Some kimono are very formal. Others are more relaxed and casual. In Japan, people sometimes use the word kaku to talk about these differences. Kaku means how formal a kimono is. But you don't need to remember many difficult rules. It may help to simply think, this kimono feels more formal, or this kimono feels more casual. That idea alone can make kimono much easier to understand. When people first learn about kimono, it can feel like there is a lot to remember. But you don't need perfect knowledge. Even in Japan, many people simply choose kimono based on the occasions and how formal it feels. And kimono outfits are not decided by the kimono alone. The obi can also change how formal the whole outfit feels. So even the same kimono can look more formal or more casual depending on the obi and the overall styling. So instead of worrying about every detail, it may help to think this feels more formal or this feels more casual. Little by little, the differences become easier to see. Today, we talked about different kinds of kimono. Some are more formal and others are more casual. And just like modern clothes, different kimono fit different occasions. In kimono culture, this idea is sometimes called kaku. And the obi also changes how formal the whole outfit feels. But you do not need to remember every rule. Thinking about formal and casual styles is already a good start. Thank you for watching Happy Kimono Life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. In the next episode, I will talk about obi and how they can change the formality of kimono outfits. Let's keep smiling and enjoying life with kimono. And before we go, here's today's kimono outfit. Today, I choose a linen Komon kimono. It has thin stripes with bright pink colors. The fabric feels light and comfortable, so it is very nice for warmer days. This is one of my favorite kimono. I love how the bright pink adds a little energy to the outfit. Wearing kimono is already fun, but wearing a favorite kimono feels even more exciting. Some kimono feel calm, and some make me feel cheerful. This one always makes me feel happy when I wear it. I think that is one of the best things about kimono. You can choose what feels right for you on that day. See you in the next happy kimono moment.